Customers see thousands of ads every day, but most of those ads get completely ignored. We're here to change that. Introducing Neurons AI. Predict and improve advertising impact with AI trained on decades of neuroscience data. First, predict how consumers respond to your ads in seconds. Get predictions on attention, engagement, memory, and more. Then, get guided insights into what works and what doesn't to help you make them more compelling in a few clicks. Finally, generate visual recommendations that automatically maximize attention, engagement, and memorability. Using this creative AI loop, our clients report a 30% uplift in brand impact, as well as a 95% higher confidence in launch success. Join over 500 brands across the globe and reduce wasted ad spend with confidence. Start improving your ads today.